Good morning to respected principals and to all respected teachers and my dear friends. On this occasion of speech competition, it is an opportunity for me to share few words about role of teacher in nation building. Teachers are the backbone of our society because they majorly contribute in shaping the future of a nation. That students and guide that students and guide them in becoming an ideal citizen of the country. Teacher's job is full of responsibility and challenges because not every student is same. Thus, the teacher has to dynamic and adopt different teaching patterns for different students. Teaching is a social practice and more than knowledge. A teacher must be a good human being who can very well shoulder the responsibility of his or her job and understands the sensitivity of the situation where students from different backgrounds have come together for learning as and thus apply skills and knowledge to best of his or her capacity while teaching. Some of the quality which every teacher must possess in order to become most acceptable enthusiasm. It is an it is a known fact that teacher who shows enthusiasm while the teaching creates a positive atmosphere and learning environment which help students in gaining knowledge fast and with fun. These teachers don't follow the uniform pattern, instead they innovate teaching method to keep the students engaged and enthusiastic. The most important role of teacher plays it is in motivating the students, some of the students and their teacher to be a role model and try to initiate them. Thus it is very important that teachers leaves a positive impression on each student. Interaction with the learners, it is a very important for the teachers to indulge into transparent and open discussion with the students in order to understand the capability of the learner. Some students are shy while other may be afraid of failure. A teacher is highly trusted to build up the student emotionally and practically strong. Conventionally, the teaching is the considered equivalent to praying. In olden days, parents used to leave their children in a gurukul, a kind of residential school where students live with the teacher for studies. This traditional was greatly supported by the trust and bond between the parents and the teachers. Even today, trust is one of the most important factor which motivates parents to get their children admitted in a particular school. A teacher is considered to be the alternate parent. This makes teaching all the more challenging and full of accountability. Well, I would like to end this note with a huge thanks to our teacher who are so caring and compassionate. We are highly honored to be a part of this college. Thank you.